AI coding agents, they're writing and reviewing code more than ever before. In this video, you will learn how to set up Sourcegraph's code monitoring to instantly alert you and your team to critical code changes. Ready? Let's go. Code monitoring, it helps you track critical files or configuration settings. So let's create a monitor that's going to notify us when a specific file, such as say our main database config, is modified. We're going to start giving our monitor a descriptive name and a search query that targets the file path. You can also monitor for highly specific changes, such as, when a new risky or depreciated function is added to the code base. We'll refine our search query so we can look for the addition of a specific function across all repositories. Now let's set up how we want to be notified. The first notification action we'll add is to send an alert to a Slack channel of our choice. And this ensures that our whole team is immediately aware of the change. And for a more formal or targeted alert, we're going to also send an email and notification every time a change is detected. That ensures timely review and logging. With code monitoring, you can track critical code changes with precision and instantly notify the right people throughout the preferred channels like Slack or email. Set up your first code monitor today and stay ahead of unwanted high impact changes. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.